Gavana wa jimbo la Kisii Paul Simba Arati ameanzisha rasmi mpango wa kuwaona wanafunzi 500 ambao walifanya vyema kwenye mtihani wao darasa la 8 japo hawakuwa na karo ya kuendeleza masomo yao kwenye shule za upili.
To launch the Elimu na Simba scholarship program, which is aimed at sponsoring needy students from the poor background to access secondary education. Firstly, let me hasten to clarify that this scheme is not being sponsored by the government funds, but through well-wishers. It's important to know.
Mpango huu alioita Elimu na Simba uliungwa mkono na viongozi mbalimbali kwenye kaunti ya Kisii waliojitolea kutoa usaidizi kuhakikisha mpango huu umefanikishwa.
As such, my administration, that is myself, my wife, the deputy governor, the wife, the county executive committee members, county secretary, the county attorney, chief officers and chief of staff have all joined in the support, at least, of a child to pursue secondary education. Actually, even my chief of staff, Dr. Tutu, even we know that he didn't have anything, I told him, yes, I know your wife must have gotten a bill the other day. Make sure you must put an hand, and a mark he did.
Akizungumza kwenye mkutano wa kuzindua mpango huu, Arati alisema kuwa kwenye uongozi wake ataweka sekta elimu mbele. Pia alisema kuwa fedha za basari za kaunti milioni 135 zitatolewa hivi karibuni ili zisaidie wanafunzi mbalimbali kwenye kaunti ya Kisii.
Of school fees. That's why, to help bridge the gap and complement what other benefactors and government institutions are doing to support needy students, we have to come up with a Elimu. We had to come up with a Elimu na nani? Elimu na Simba program to help send more children from Kisii County to school. We aim to ensure that in Kisii County there will be no kid out of school for lack of school fees. The school fees. For now, we have Elimu na Simba, and we have also introduced the county bursary, which will soon be launched. Probably by mid of this month, we'll be having it. At this juncture, let me remind us that the first or the last 3 years also, Kisii County had no bursary fund, since the money meant for bursary was diverted to other uses by the former county regime. But currently, we have done a supplementary budget which, once approved, will enable us to disperse 135 million shillings already allocated for bursary. Each electoral ward is said to receive 3 million shillings, and the fund will be transparent, executed through the MCS. And due to the delay in having the county bursary fund on course and the need to have more children on education scholarship, we conceptualized the Elimu na Simba scheme, where students who are classified as needy, who scored above 350 marks in KCPE, are said to benefit.
Gavana aliwapa moyo wanafunzi waliofanikiwa kupata msaada huu na kuomba kuwa watie bidii zaidi masomoni watakapojiunga na wengine shuleni.
I also remind beneficiaries, students, that this is the only chance you have to lay a firm foundation for future. Let our support not be in vain. Kindly obey your parents. This is important for the students. Not students, actually they are pupils. Students, they are university and tertiary institutions. These are pupils. Obey your parents or guardians, as well your teachers. Uphold discipline in and out of school, and be aware that you are the future of this county and the nation at large.
Edwin Mokaya, Agr Kisii.